Hello and welcome back to my channel. Alyssa here, and today I have a little bit of a different video for you. So instead of doing an unboxing of a bag that I'm keeping, it's actually a bag that I am selling. So the point of this video is to see if there are any potential buyers or anyone interested in a Louis Vuitton handbag. So here we go. This Louis Vuitton bag is actually my very first Louis, and it is the Propriano in the white canvas with leather straps. So I really wanted the Neverfull, but I wanted something a little bit more unique. So this one was very similar in size because it's a tote, but nobody had it. So as you can see, I have the box, I have the bags, I have papers, I have everything that you need. So here is our tote, okay? This white canvas, and then it has real leather straps. And the leather is braided, it's very beautiful, it goes all the way down and around to the other side, comes up, goes down and around. This bag actually does have feet, and you can see there is some minor marking, minor wear and tear, like on the bottom. There's a couple of little marks, but it's the bottom. Nobody sees that part. But as far as the front, you can see here, the tassel is a little frayed just from, being used for so many years, but the coloring looks good on it. I got it cleaned professionally once a year. So that was also very helpful. Something, if you don't do it, you should consider doing it for your expensive bags. So the biggest thing that people say about the white canvas is the jean transfer. So you can see it's a little bit darker in this corner here, but again, I've had it cleaned recently, so they've done a lot of repair to that section right there. And honestly, what Louis should tell you is that the jean transfer doesn't happen to everybody. And what I've learned from my experience of having this bag is that your chances of having jean transfer are higher if you're shorter or have a small torso. So that was my issue for me. A girlfriend of mine got like the exact same bag. It was the Neverfull in the white canvas, the same time as me. We got them same year on Christmas. And she continues to use hers and she doesn't have a problem, but she's also really tall. She has a very long torso, but whenever she wears it, the tote comes up to like her ribs or like under the bottom part of her breast, where mine is like hanging down on the side. So I can show you when you put it on, like you see where mine is, right? With her, because she's so tall, it's like up here, it's not an issue. So that's just something to consider, because they didn't say that to me specifically. They just said like, oh, you have to be careful. If you get a white one, even though they're beautiful, you could have jean transfer. If you were tall, if you have a long torso, and you know that the bag's not gonna be hitting your jeans, you have nothing to worry about, honeys. But for me personally, and I love the bag. It's literally my first Louis Vuitton bag, but I don't want to worry about having to clean it constantly because of the fact that I'm so short. Like, this bag needs a new home for someone that is taller and can really be able to enjoy it. Like, I have this bag, I want to be able to enjoy it, but I'm scared to wear it because I don't want jean transfer. And I don't think that's a really good reason to keep a bag. I feel like she could find a new home elsewhere and they would treat her with love and respect, and they wouldn't have the same issues that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. So what's really cool about this bag is that it has a magnetic close, and it's really strong. So you don't have to worry about like your stuff falling out or anything like that, because it does shut on its own. The inside is in very good condition. It's like a pink, it's so pretty. A couple minor little specks at the very bottom, but nothing crazy. Again, I've had the bag for years, so it's understandable. These are actually just like the corners. Those aren't even marks. It's like those little things, those little tiny marks are marks, that's it. And then it has this pocket here. So what's also really cool about this bag is that you can change the shape of it. So obviously it's a tote, which I loved. I wore it to work every day. I was able to like toss a lot of stuff in and carry, and it was so really comfortable. The straps are super comfy with the braided strap. But it has these snaps, whatever you call them. And you can turn the bag in and snap them together on both sides. And now you have a totally different shaped bag, which is pretty cool. So for somebody that, you know, maybe doesn't have a million purses and they get tired of one shape and want to change it up on people and make them think like, oh, I got another bag, you can just clip those bad boys together and now you have a little bag. Isn't that so cute? So I thought that was really cool about the bag. It was one of the selling points for me. But like I said, you know, unfortunately for me, what I've come to realize is that I'm probably better off with like a darker bag. So I actually have a black one now, but I look forward to somebody finding my Propriano a new home. So right now, they are for sale new, obviously like a little over $2,000, and I don't even think that they're in stock online. But I, obviously, because this is used, although it is in good condition, I'm willing to sell it for $1,200. So if you are interested, please contact me. I have PayPal, I can do Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, whatever you need, I can take it. So let me know if you're interested, drop a comment, drop your phone number, and I will contact you. And we can chat. I'm happy to FaceTime and let you see the bag. If you need some more time taking a look at it. This tassel too, also, if it drives you crazy, you can take it off. Because it's not really necessary. The only thing that for me was helpful is that it like helped me identify which side of the bag was the front, but like they really are exactly the same. So it doesn't really matter. Like if you look, it's like, oh, maybe this is, you see this yellow thread through it, it's on the back side too, so it's like it's the same thing on front and back. Well, that's all I have for you today. I look forward to hearing from some of you, and you know, maybe use this video as an unboxing and you're curious about the style and the bag, and or maybe you're just trying to get some information about the white canvas and decide if it's the right move for you. Which again, I would just recommend, if you're shorter, you should probably stay away. Just be aware of where the bag is hitting your body and use that to gauge your decision. That's what I would say. And again, always make sure, regardless if it's a white canvas, just your bags in general, you spend a lot of money on them, ladies. Let's take care of them. Let's take them to the doctor, the purse doctor, once a year minimum. Get them clean, get them detailed, get them updated. These are really important things if you want to keep your bag for a long time. So thanks for joining.